everyone, my name is Jhansi. I am from Hyderabad district. I have recently completed my graduation in 2004 and I have done B.TECH from EC stream, and I have joined software testing in the month of July, and Ishwar sir taught me manual and Hema sir taught me manual testing, and Yogi Reddy sir taught me SQL, and Nandini taught me automation, and Pawan sir taught me Java. They taught me in a very good way. They have clarified my doubts with the patience, and I have, after completion of the course, I have done mock interviews and I have done seminars, and grooming sessions also done. So based on that, I have went to interviews and I cracked the interview in a confidence way.